Hola chicos, ¿qué tal? Bienvenido a la clase de español con Language Nerds. I have an extremely important lesson for you today. You're going to learn today top 30 extremely important Spanish expressions that if you're learning Spanish, you absolutely must know. Okay, so I'm going to cut all the fluff and we're just going to get straight into the lesson. We're going to start, you probably guessed it, with a greeting. So the most common greeting that you need to know if you're learning Spanish is hola, hola, hello or hi. This greeting can actually be used in an informal setting or a formal setting. So you can say hola to your manager or hola Maria to your friend. It's slightly a bit more on an informal end, but if you're unsure about whether you're in a formal or informal situation, just stick to this greeting, hola. Of course, there are a bit more formal greetings as well in Spanish. One of them is buenos días, which is good morning. And you can use this one until 12 p.m. After that, you would say buenas tardes, which is good afternoon. And if it's more like towards the evening or you want to say good night, is buenas noches, which means good evening or good night. Okay, so after you greet someone, and if it's for the first time, you want to, of course, introduce yourself. And how do you do this in Spanish? You would say, me llamo Elena, which means my name is Elena. And you usually, just like in English, would ask like this general question, ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Which is how are you? And the most common answer to this one is estoy bien. I'm well, I'm fine. After you greet someone and you meet them for the first time, you would usually say encantado o encantada, like in my case. Encantada, which means pleased to meet you. Or alternatively, you could say mucho gusto, nice to meet you, mucho gusto. Our next phrase is no entiendo español. No entiendo español. I don't understand Spanish. So if someone asks you, ¿entiende español? Do you understand Spanish? Or if someone just starts blabbing in Spanish, you can stop them with this phrase. No entiendo español. I don't understand Spanish. If you want to switch to English, then you would have to pose this question. ¿Habla usted inglés? Do you speak English? Another very important phrase is gracias. Thank you. So if you want to thank someone, you can say gracias. Or alternatively, you can say muchas gracias if you want to express that you're really grateful. Or if you're extremely grateful, you could use this one. Muchísimas gracias. Thanks a lot. If someone's thanking you and you would like to respond in Spanish, you would say de nada, you're welcome. Or alternatively, you can use no te preocupes, no worries. And in my opinion, this phrase is the most important one. So if you're gonna learn one phrase from this lesson, make sure you learn this one. Por favor, please. If you like to apologize, you would need to remember this phrase. Lo siento, I'm sorry. Our next set of expressions are expressions with the verb tener. For example, the first one is tengo hambre, which means I'm hungry. Or tengo sed, tengo sed. I'm thirsty. Qué calor. Tengo calor. Tengo calor. I'm hot. Or tengo frío. Tengo frío. I'm cold. To express that you like something, you can use me gusta. Me gusta. I like. Or alternatively, if you don't want to sound too boring and using over and over the same phrases like estupendo, genial, you can use está padre. It's great. Está padre. For example, esta fiesta es muy padre. This party is great. And now we're going to have a look at the most useful questions that you should learn. One of them is, of course, ¿cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is it? Another one is, ¿dónde están los servicios? ¿Dónde están los servicios? Where are the toilets? The question to remember to do with the price is, ¿está incluido en el precio? ¿Esto está incluido en el precio? Is this included in the price? If you really like someone and you want to invite them for drinks, you need to remember this phrase. ¿Quieres tomar algo? ¿Quieres tomar algo? Do you want to go for drinks? And listen for the response. They could probably say, sí, quiero tomar una copa de vino tinto. Sí, quiero tomar una copa de vino tinto. Yes, I would like to have a glass of red wine. And another important question that most probably you're gonna hear a lot is ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? And when you are ready to say goodbye to your new friends, you can say hasta pronto, hasta pronto, or hasta luego, which is the equivalent, hasta luego, see you soon, or see you later. Or alternatively, you can also use adiós, adiós, which is goodbye. No te olvides, dale un like a este video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell that you don't miss your next Spanish lesson. Y nos vemos en la próxima. Hasta luego.